Here. Steady rain snow mix after midnight tonight. The snow is going to be mainly for the northeastern half of the viewing area. So that means Metro Louisville off to the east and northeast. Areas off to the south, southwest, mainly just some cold rain tonight. About an inch or less of a kind of grassy, just on the grass accumulation. The roads are just going to be wet. So if you see that inch or less where we do see that snow late overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning, it's not going to cause any major impacts. But you might get very brief slushy accumulation that would likely melt pretty quickly tomorrow morning with all above freezing temperatures. So our snow map here, there's that inch or less in the light blue from Louisville up to Salem, Seymour, perhaps as far south as Bardstown and then to the northeast. Maybe some locally higher amounts around Newcastle, Carrollton, over Trimble County, Bedford, Kentucky, Frankfort, and across the river into Madison and up to North Vernon, and then just rain again off to the south and southwest. That matches up with some of our latest futurecast data showing again some very minor accumulation of some snowfall for tomorrow morning. This morning, the impact is some cold and frosty conditions. We are down to 20 at Bowman Field, our coldest start so far of the year. 25 degrees at Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport. More teens have been found at Lanesville, 19. Sellersburg at 16 degrees. Prospect checking in at 18. And good morning, Brandenburg. You're the coldest, 14 right now. 17 in Bardstown, and more of those teen temperatures in Scottsburg, Seymour, and over towards Bedford, Indiana. Some high clouds drifting over us attached to that system that's developing with that mix of rain and snow over the Great Plains. Again, it's going to slowly move our direction. We stay all dry through the day today. All dry scans right now on Max HD radar. We're in the lower 40s this afternoon, a mix of clouds and sunshine, and then clouds thicken up later today as that system approaches. We'll stop it here just after midnight, around 2 o'clock in the morning. There you can see some wet snowflakes mixing in with that rain. I say wet snowflakes because, again, temperatures are above freezing. A lot of melting of that snow on contact with the ground. And it's just kind of a quick hitter here with the rain and snow moving off to the east by around mid-morning. And again, we're left with some wet roads and then drier conditions as we go into the afternoon with temperatures in the upper 30s and lower 40s for tomorrow afternoon. Now, tomorrow evening and into Sunday, there'll be a little mix every once in a while. No impact from that other than a few flurries flying and maybe a little drizzle as well as we head into our Sunday morning and early afternoon. We get a break on Monday. A stronger storm system is going to be moving in Tuesday into Wednesday. Wet and windy on Tuesday with highs in the lower 50s and likely a wind advisory. Could have some wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. On the backside of the system, wrapping in some colder temperatures, so we could turn over to a brief period of some snow showers into early Wednesday morning. Now, the long-range temperature pattern, I've been showing you this every day, still showing you the consistency of the long-range weather model data that some more severe cold could start to move into much of the United States and the Ohio Valley by around mid-month. That's January 15th. So a little wait for that. Cold and dry for today, a high of 44 degrees with increasing clouds later on today. Rain snow mix developing mainly after midnight. Low temperature at 35 degrees. After this little wintry mix this weekend, again, we get that break on Monday and then a 100% chance of some wet and windy conditions on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we could see a little switch over to some snow in the early morning. So a gusty start to next week.